Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video we'll try to convert a UI into a Flutter app. So I have found this UI by Gulam Rasool. A big shout out to him. So this is a food mobile app design and a very simple but alluring design. So we'll try to convert this UI into a Flutter app, and of course I'll show you how to do that. So first we'll open our Visual Studio Code. So our project is ready, and we'll first run this demo app and check if it is working fine, and then we'll start working on our real app. Meanwhile, we'll delete this code. We'll write from scratch. So we'll create a separate class for this. We'll keep it my home page, and we'll remove this title. So it's working fine. So first we'll give our background color, that is 040302, and we'll give this a scaffold. Background color we'll just have to add 0, X, and F. We'll add 040302, I guess. Yeah, and we'll run this. So it's black in color. And next, first we'll have to add is leading icon and this trailing icon. What we'll do is I have created this icon and I'll just add to my assets. So we'll create a folder here, and I'll add all these images here. I'll rename this to leading, and in the pubsec.yaml we'll have to add this path for the images. So here we'll just uncomment this and we'll write assets slash leading.png. So here we'll write our scaf app bar, and this app bar will be using a asset and we'll try to run this. So we can see our leading icon here, and the background of the app bar is also black. We'll try to remove this debug banner here. So for that, what we'll do is in the upper class we'll write false and it will just go. So next we'll have to add this searched in the trailing. Okay, so we'll add that circle, bigger circle, this bigger outer circle later, and we'll give it a little padding. We'll just add a sized box, and the width should be, let's say, 8. So it didn't make any change, so we'll have to add it below this icon, and it gives some padding there. We'll work on the padding at the end. So next we'll have to add this title here, every byte and a letter A. So for that we'll give our body, and in this we can give our column, and we can add this byte and we'll give this only. So now we need to find we need and we'll give text every byte. So we'll save this and we'll hot load, and we cannot see any text because the color of the text is in black. So we'll give it a style attribute. It should contain text style widget, and we'll copy the style and we'll paste it here. We'll make some changes. We'll reduce the font size to 30 and font weight to 400. Okay, it seems pretty good. So we'll have to make this better burger. We'll have to push this better burger to the left side. So for that, what we'll do is in the column, we'll add an not sort. And we'll hotl it so it's in position now. We'll have to push the icon a little bit, this icon a little bit, and now below that we'll have to add a selectable option, that is burger, pasta, and salad. And we have a filter icon here, so we'll just give it below this. Uh, we'll give it a row. Text, burger, pasta, and salad. So just and we'll place we'll use a font size 20 and 42 for it. We'll solve this and we'll just do. So we got our options there. Oh, so so I have added a padding widget above this row, and have given a 20 on the top and 30 on the left. And I have added size box below the text so that it gives us a little padding between this text, and it looks pretty good. And we have a small icon here, circle icon. So for that, what we'll do is, so I think we have an icon for that. So we'll give the width to 8 and we'll reduce the left padding to 25, and we'll see. Okay, that looks good. We'll have to increase the top padding, and we'll have to add a filter icon, which we'll do in the end. So we'll make this selectable later. So for now we'll proceed with this burger grid. We'll just increase the top padding to 30. So I have added the burger images here. So now we can create a grid for burger, and we'll add that below this padding widget. So what we'll do is we'll copy this text and we'll paste this below the image. So we need to place icon here. So we'll create a row. This is my text and we'll add icon now tag. So I have changed the background color of the app to gray 900. We'll add that in our app bar as well. And we'll give the elevation to 0 so that it is not elevated. And now so what we can do is we can create another class uh, just just for this column, and we'll name it as burger display. And what we'll do is we will cut this container and we'll paste it here. So we need few things, that is we need title, we need description, we need price, and we need image. So we can create a constructor for this burger display, and we'll give this dot title, this dot description, this dot image, this dot price, and we can use these values here. So instead of this asset slash png, we can just give a dollar symbol, and we can type title. So we'll have to pass this value somewhere, right? So we'll give this below this row, below this padding. So we'll type burger display, and in the title attribute we'll just give we'll just give beef burger, and that should be in title attribute, so we'll have to give it here. And here we'll have to give image, so we'll also pass this image. And the description is, we'll cut this description. Here we'll give dollar and des, it will just print the value. And in the double quotes we'll give onion with cheese, and the price value we'll give price variable. Here in price attribute we'll give the price, and that's it. So what we'll do is we'll hotload this, and we can see no changes. Now what we'll do, we'll copy this and we'll paste this below. We'll copy the entire thing and we'll paste this below, and we'll change the name to chicken burger cheese with chicken. Chicken burger cheese with chicken, and we'll change the price to 370, and we'll hold it. So you can see that without any much, so you can see that we have reused this entire code, and we got this burger below this. And before that we can wrap our body with a single child scroll view, so that we'll be able to scroll the screen, and we'll just paste this below and we'll run this. So we can see we got many burgers, but we need it in a grid like structure, so we'll do something for this. So we'll cut this, we'll create a wrap widget. Into the children we'll paste this, and we can see we got our grid like structure. So we need to first, so we'll give this off, then we need more, so we'll give it a 3. So I think it's really right. So we'll just remove this max alignment in this row, and we'll give a manual width for this so we'll just give a manual width for this price and the icon. We'll give it a 30, and that's it. We'll remove the swift edges. Okay, we need to remove more space. So we'll just repeat this grid and we'll run this. So you can see that we have a burger list here, and here in the bottom we can see we have no space left. So in the padding we can add bottom here and we can give 25, something like that. So everything is fine, and we have to add this filter. We have to have the bottom navigation and a circle to this search box, search icon. So I think we can reduce the font size of pasta and salad. So we'll have to add a bottom navigation here, so we'll do that now. So below this single child scroll view, we'll give a bottom navigation bar, we'll give it a container. So now we'll have to add this filter, and for that we'll give this container. I think we'll copy this complete stack and we'll paste this here below the size box and replace this icon with that. And instead of giving it circular, instead of giving it 50, we can just give 10. And that seems pretty fine to me. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and if you want to see similar kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comment below. Take care guys, see you in the next video.